Click on the link below to get price. The Santa Fe Ultra120 Ventilating Dehumidifier is a standout solution for maintaining optimal humidity levels in various spaces, particularly in basements and crawl spaces. This model boasts an impressive capacity of removing up to 120 pints of moisture per day, making it ideal for larger areas or regions with high humidity. One of the most notable features of the Ultra120 is its dual functionality. Not only does it dehumidify, but it also ventilates, which is crucial for preventing stagnant air and promoting a healthier environment. The integrated ventilation system circulates fresh air, helping to eliminate musty odors and improve air quality. This is particularly beneficial in enclosed spaces where air can become stale. The build quality of the Ultra120 is robust, featuring a durable housing that ensures longevity. It is designed to operate in temperatures as low as 40 degrees Fahrenheit, so it can handle the demands of colder climates without sacrificing performance. The unit is relatively quiet, making it suitable for residential use in living areas, though it's often recommended for basements where noise is less of a concern. User-friendliness is another strong point with this dehumidifier. The controls are intuitive, and the digital display provides clear readings of current humidity levels. Additionally, the continuous drainage option via a hose connection is a major convenience, as it reduces the need for frequent manual emptying of the water tank. Energy efficiency is commendable as well, with the Ultra120 being Energy Star rated, ensuring that it won't lead to exorbitant utility bills. Maintenance is straightforward, requiring only the occasional cleaning of the filter and checking the drainage system. Overall, the Santa Fe Ultra120 Ventilating Dehumidifier is a powerful, efficient, and easy-to-use appliance that delivers on its promises. It effectively combats excessive moisture while improving air quality, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone seeking to enhance the comfort and safety of their indoor environment.